Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and you need to type kraken.com in the search bar. Now once you are on the official website of Kraken, you first have to sign in into your account. In order to do this, you simply need to hover over to the top right hand corner and click on the sign in tab. Afterwards, you need to provide your email address or username and password, and you simply need to click on the login button. This way you will be able to log in into your Kraken account. Now once you are on the home page, you are going to see various tabs on the home page like buy, sell, convert, deposit and withdraw. So as you want to withdraw, you will have to click on the withdraw button, and then you will be landed on this withdrawal page where you are going to see this withdraw tab. This tab will look something like this. So over here you just have to select that particular crypto which you want to withdraw. Let's say you want to withdraw Bitcoin, so after selecting it, it will show you the Bitcoin network. So over here you just have to copy this address from here, then enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to withdraw, or you can choose any other currency as you have, or you can choose any other crypto that you have selected. Afterwards, you need to press the withdraw BTC button. Then you will be landed on the review page where you just have to review all of the information that you have mentioned previously. And if everything is correct, you simply need to click on this withdraw button. After that, it may ask you to authorize the action with the funding 2FA. So you just have to provide the authenticator code in order to complete this transaction. Now once this transaction is completed, you will have to click on the transactions tab, and in the history you will be able to see the transaction that you have made recently. It simply means that you have successfully transferred your Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.